Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimitri. Today I'm gonna show you how to work with the select statement on SQL Server. Okay, so for now I'm gonna show you that I have a few databases here, and let's say I want to select all the data from this customers table, which is inside this Big Bang 100 database. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select everything from customers. So if I run this query, I'm going to have an issue. So let's just execute this, and I'm going to have a invalid object name customers. So in this scenario, I'm basically telling SQL Server to get this data, but I'm not telling SQL Server from where. So there should be another customers table somewhere else. Maybe there are like 3 or 4 different customer tables in different databases. So for this scenario, I have to tell SQL where to look for it. So I'm going to use the use, and then I'm going to mention the database. In this case, my database is Big Bang 100. So if I run this again, now I'm getting the results here. So I'm getting the real table. Okay, so let's just try to get data from a different table. So I'm going to go to my junk database, and I'm going to get the data from my cars table. All right, so let's try to do the same. So I'm going to select everything from my cars table. So if I execute this query, I'm going to have the same issue, invalid object name. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mention my database. So I'm going to use, in this case, is going to be my junk database. So once I mention that, if I execute this, now I have my data right here. Okay, that's basically one important step that you guys should use when you have multiple databases. And in this case, if I want to select those 2 statements, you can also do that, and I'll get 2 different results here from 2 different tables. So this is the result for the first query, and this is the result for the second query, but I'm working with 2 different databases. Okay, perfect. So in this case, we don't have common columns, but I could have 2 tables with first name and last name columns. So in that case, it's even more important to make the difference between the databases, so SQL Server knows exactly where to look for the data. All right, so that's how you guys work with the SQL select statement. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.